Good morning, team. This video is how to install the 1password Chrome extension. Internet Explorer also has a Chrome extension, and it is highly recommended that you install this extension as it will make your work go more smoothly and make you more productive. So as a quick note before we get started, this is only going to work if you have the 1password desktop app downloaded on your computer. If you're not already using that or don't have it downloaded on your computer, please watch the video on how to download the 1password desktop app onto your computer. So now let's get started. First, we're going to Google 1password Chrome extension. So you can see it's already popping up there. There we go. Then we're going to go down here and we're going to say add to Chrome. Yes, we want to add the extension. Now it's checking, it's going to get that added for me, and here you go, you can see it's popped up here. Now I have a few extensions, so I have to mark it as a favorite if I want to. So I'm going to click that little puzzle piece, which you can't quite see in this recording. It's a little bit off screen, but I'm going to say, yes, I want my 1password extension pinned. So now you can see it all the time. Now the benefit of having this is I want to go log into HubSpot. So I'm going to go over to HubSpot. I'm going to open a tab and I'm going to go to HubSpot. And it's time I want to log in. What's my password? For me personally, most of my passwords are sort of 8 to 16 alphanumeric random passwords in order to make it secure. So I simply could not remember them without 1password. Definitely don't remember this one. So I'm going to go up here, click on the extension. If I'm already logged in with the desktop app, chances are it's going to be logged in here. But if I'm not, then I just put in my password. And it takes a second. We'll wait here for a sec. The first time you log in, it just takes a moment. Okay, so now I've clicked on it and it recognizes I'm at HubSpot. So because the one I use most often is this one, it's populating it near the top. So I just say autofill, and it should autofill. It may not all the time. Say in this situation, because you're recording a video and you want it to work, it's not going to work. So you're going to come up here, you've got that there. You just go copy, paste, copy, paste. Now the important thing to remember is when you're putting a password in, especially if HubSpot thinks it's a new password, it's going to ask you, do you want to save this new password, or do you want to save this in 1password? And it's really important that you read closely what it's asking you to do so that you're not saving your password over top of somebody else's password. So when it asks you that, it's going to show you saving the 1password password into the shared vault or into your vault or whatever it is. And it's really critical that you're not just hitting yes, yes, yes as you see these things, so that you're actually not overwriting other people's work. This is extremely important when it comes to banking logins. So I hope that was helpful, and happy working.